Search YouTube right now for Best Cordless Drill and count how many of the top 10 results recommend the exact same DeWalt kit. Not because those creators all independently tested every drill on the market, because that DeWalt has been sitting at the top of Amazon's bestseller list for nearly a decade, and every single one of those videos has an affiliate link in the description that pays the creator a commission when you click it and buy. What nobody talks about is how that system actually works behind the scenes, and why it means the tools YouTube keeps pushing on you might have nothing to do with what's actually best for your garage, your projects, or your wallet. How does a mediocre tool end up on every single recommendation list on the platform? It starts with Amazon Associates, the affiliate program that controls roughly half the global affiliate market. When a tool YouTuber drops a link to a cordless drill in their video description, Amazon pays them 3% of whatever you buy. That sounds tiny. On a $100 DeWalt drill, the creator pockets $3. On a $40 Harbor Freight special, barely $1.20. $3 doesn't sound like enough to corrupt anyone's judgment. And it wouldn't be if that were the whole picture. The real money isn't in the drill. It's in your entire shopping cart. Amazon's affiliate cookie lasts 24 hours. That means if you click a drill link and then buy dog food, a phone case, and a pair of running shoes in the same session, the creator earns a commission on all of it. Categories like luxury beauty pay 10%. Fashion pays 4%. Suddenly, that $3 drill commission is a $20 shopping spree kickback. Scale that across hundreds of thousands of viewers per month, and mid-sized tool channels pull in $1,500 to $3,000 monthly just from affiliate links. Channels above 100,000 subscribers average over $13,000 a month. And that's not even counting sponsorship deals or ad revenue. I mean, think about that for a second. The financial incentive isn't to find the best drill, it's to get the most clicks. And here's the detail that everyone missed at the time this system was being built. Amazon's bestseller rank updates every single hour based on recent sales velocity. When a YouTuber with 500,000 subscribers publishes a Best Tools video, the recommended products get a massive sales spike. That spike improves their bestseller rank. A better rank triggers the orange bestseller badge on Amazon. That badge makes the product show up higher in Amazon search results, appear in customers also bought sections, and land on the movers and shakers list. Each of those visibility boosts generates thousands of additional sales from people who never even watched the video, which further improves the ranking, which attracts more YouTubers who see the badge and include the same product in their own list. The drill didn't earn that badge because it's the best drill. It earned it because it got the most affiliate traffic. And now it keeps earning it because the algorithm rewards popularity over quality. That same DeWalt DCD771 kit has been appearing on best drill lists for almost 10 years. It's an adequate drill. Nobody's saying it's garbage. What we're saying is that its YouTube dominance has more to do with algorithmic momentum than engineering superiority. This is where things stop being funny. A peer-reviewed study published by the Association for Computing Machinery analyzed over 7,000 product queries on YouTube and found that more than 1/3 of product review videos were, and this is the academic phrasing, clearly very low quality or outright spam. These videos disguise themselves as reviews, while just repackaging Amazon specs over stock footage with a text-to-speech voiceover. An entire cottage industry now teaches people to build these channels. Pick a niche like Best Cordless Drills. Generate a script with AI. Add a robot narrator. Overlay generic workshop footage. Stuff the description with affiliate links. Upload. Repeat. A separate Princeton study examining over 500,000 YouTube videos found that roughly 90% of videos containing affiliate links included zero disclosure that the creator earns money when you buy. The FTC requires that disclosure to be clear and immediately visible. Penalties can reach over $50,000 per violation, and yet almost nobody in the tool review space actually does it. So what are you left with? A recommendation ecosystem where the same products keep winning, not because of quality, but because of financial gravity. Compare that to what the people who use tools for a living actually spend their own money on. Electricians and plumbers overwhelmingly choose Milwaukee's M18 platform because Milwaukee offers the widest range of trade-specific specialty tools on one battery system. Framing carpenters reach for DeWalt's FlexVolt line for heavy circular saw work. Finished carpenters swear by Festool track saws that cost over $600 and almost never appear on YouTube because the price point kills affiliate conversions. And then there's Hilti. Ask any commercial contractor what drill they trust on a high-rise job site, and they'll say Hilti without hesitation. Hilti sells direct through sales reps, no Amazon listing, no affiliate program, no YouTube presence. Which means one of the most trusted professional tool brands on earth is essentially invisible in the recommendation ecosystem that millions of homeowners rely on. Meanwhile, Ryobi gets enormous YouTube coverage. Ryobi makes perfectly fine homeowner tools. Nobody's disputing that. What's interesting is that Ryobi's lower price point drives higher impulse purchase conversions, which means more affiliate revenue per viewer, which means more creators feature it, which means more sales, which means better Amazon rankings. See the pattern? If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I break down stuff like this every week so you can spend smarter in your shop. All right, so here's where things get practical. You now understand the machine. The question is, how do you beat it? Stewart at Tool Guide, a veteran tool journalist, documented how major publications promoted tool deals with outright false claims. One household name magazine's editor claimed lowest ever prices on a DeWalt miter. Saw when pricing history proved that was completely wrong. Another publication headlined a drill at nearly 50% off when it never actually hit that discount. These aren't mistakes. These are affiliate-optimized headlines designed to trigger purchases. Even worse, Recon Tools, a small manufacturer of innovative measuring accessories, was told directly by YouTube influencers that if they didn't pay for a sponsorship, the review would be negative. Recon refused. They got a hostile video. That's not reviewing. That's extortion with a ring light. This doesn't mean all tool content on YouTube is garbage. There are creators doing real work. Project Farm, run by a guy named Todd with about 4 million subscribers, buys every product himself, accepts no brand sponsorships, and funds his channel through Patreon donations. He tests 6 to 15 competing products per video using custom-built test rigs, measuring everything from torque to shear strength, and publishes the raw numbers and charts. AVE, a Canadian engineer, does full teardowns of tools to inspect whether you're getting nylon gears or metal ones, cheap bearings or quality ones. Torque Test Channel uses hydraulic rigs to measure exactly how much force a wrench or ratchet can handle before it fails. What these channels share is a funding model that doesn't depend on you clicking a link and buying something. So here's your cheat sheet for navigating this mess. 3 red flags in any tool review video. No disclosure. Anywhere that affiliate links are present. No destructive or comparative testing, or just unboxing and first impressions. And the same 5 products that appear on every other list in the same order. 3 green flags. The creator is funded by Patreon or direct viewer support. The review includes measurable head-to-head data between competing products. And the tools being recommended show visible wear from months of actual use, not pristine boxes fresh from Amazon. The real question isn't which drill is number 1 on YouTube. It's whether the person telling you to buy it would still recommend it if they weren't getting paid when you do. That's something worth thinking about next time you're standing in the tool aisle at Home Depot with your phone out, watching a top 5 video. Click the video on screen right now. I did a full breakdown of which specific tools are actually worth your money in every major category, based on professional use data, not affiliate commissions.